Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I dehydrate apples that I got from my local apple farm. Okay, so some of the supplies that you're going to need is a dehydrator. I have an Excalibur dehydrator. You can use any dehydrator that you have. The only other options that people may use is their air fryer may have a dehydrator, their oven, or outside in the sun they can dehydrate depending on the weather. So this is my dehydrator. It's 9 trays and the fan is in the back. And this is how I will be putting it in. I have a knob for the temperature, and for fruit and fruit rolls, it's going to be at 135 as the temperature. Next, as far as the supplies, obviously a knife, obviously an apple, your apples. I have lemon juice, I have lemon juice in here. Well, actually I don't. I didn't put it in yet. And I have some water. I just put a couple of squirts in there, no measurement. Basically, this to make sure that the apples, once I've sliced them, they don't turn brown. Cutting board, a bowl to catch the scraps, and this is a apple peeler, para slicer. It does it all in one. And if you don't have some of the supplies, this is an apple a peeler and a corer. I don't know why this suction is not working. It did work before. As a suction base, you pull this lever back, and on the butt end is what I call it. You put your apple in. And you turn the knob. I don't know how good I set it, but it will start slicing and peeling. It just makes the job a whole lot faster. Put my hand there in case it popped out. Basically, just to show you how the mechanism works, where it will slice them evenly and thinly. This is the extra scraps, which I'll throw in there and dehydrate. I'll put, once I'm finished coring and peeling all the apples, I just cut them in half. And they're already quartered slices. I will put them in the lemon water, and then once I have them all done, then I will have them out on the trays. Once they're all filled up in here, I will take them and lay them out. Just to give you a quick example of how it's gonna look. And then once they're all done, I'm gonna have them in the tray at 135. And normally this will take, depending on the humidity in your home, it may take anywhere from 9 to 16 hours. You'll have to come back and check it. I prefer to have mine in not a leathery state. I'll come back and show you what the different stages of the dryness. I like mine crisp because I want apple chips. So I just wanted to let you know the difference of how it's, leathery or rubbery or whatever. It's going to be hard to rip. So usually you want it to just snap. So it's going to go in for a little bit more. So the dehydrator is fully loaded, and I got all my apples in here, and at the bottom, even though it's touching, I have the apple peels or the apple skins, and that's my nice tray. So I'm going to turn the dehydrator on. I'm going to reposition it away from here so it has more room, and I'm going to put it on. the fruit roll setting at 135. So then when I do turn it on, I'll just turn it on so you can hear. I don't know, to me it's not a loud noise, but what do you say, 135. And then I'll let mine doesn't have a timer, but I have my time in my head, and I will come back and check it in about 3 hours, see how it's doing. But I'm assuming it may take 12 hours. It's nice to do in the winter time because it helps keep your heat up your area, your kitchen. And I'm going to be doing more videos on dehydrating, so give me a thumbs up if you are interested in seeing more videos on dehydrating. Now that the season for gardening is really the cold crops, I just have collard greens that I'm growing, onions and garlic. It's a time where I like to dehydrate. So when springtime comes and I get spring fever, I'll be doing more garden videos and how-tos. So thanks again for watching. Take care and stay abundantly rooted and grounded.